A warm welcome, children. It's the reading activity today. We are going to read Lady Bird. Yes, children? Let's see what's the name of the book. Key words with Lady Bird. To be. Have a go. Do you remember the two children in the Lady Bird? One boy and one girl. What's the name of the boy? Peter. And what is the name of the girl? Jane. And they had a pet. Do you remember? And it was a dog. What was its name? Yes, it's Pat. And how we read the ladybird? By look and say. Yes, here, what is this? This is a pointer finger. This is called pointer. You already know. And it is the index finger. While reading, we keep the pointer finger below the word. Yes, children, do you all remember? Okay. Shall we start reading? Let's start. Now turn to page number 4, children. Look here, down bottom line. See, here is page number 4 written. Yes? And on your right side, it's the page number 5. Let's read the picture first. What is there in the picture? Can you see? Can you identify? What is it? Yes, it's correct. It's Pat. Which color is Pat? It's brown in color. Yes. And there is a shoe with blue, which is blue in color. Yes. Okay, then let's start reading. Before going in on to the reading, let's see here. We have got one new word here, the key word. What is it? Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. You is the key word. Let's start reading. Use your pointer finger, children. I like the dog. I like the dog. Second line. You like the dog. You like the dog. You and I like the dog. You and I like the dog. Let's do the complete page once again. I like the dog. You like the dog. You and I like the dog. Read daily, children. Turn to page number 6, children. See here, page number 6. On right side, you have page number 7. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. What are you able to see in the picture? See, there are many plants here. Yes. What do the plants give us? They give us fresh air, fruits, vegetables. Yes, children? Yes. And on page number 6, look here. One boy, this boy. Do you remember who is this? Yes, he is Peter. And look here, this girl. Yes, she is Jane. Okay, let's start the reading work. Reading, children. I like trees. I like trees. Use your pointer finger, children. You like trees. You like trees. You and I like trees. You and I like trees. Once again, we will do the complete thing. I like trees. You like trees. You and I like trees. Yes, children, turn to page number 8. Yes, what are you able to see in this picture? Wow, so many colorful toys. Do you all love toys, children? You love to play. Do you love to play with toys? Yes, everyone wants toys. Yes, see, there is a keyword here in this page. W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. Yes, do you all want toys? Everyone like the toys. Okay, let's start the reading part. Use your pointer finger, children. You want toys. You want toys. I want toys. I want toys. You and I want toys. You and I want toys. Let's read the complete page once again. You want toys. I want toys. You and I want toys. Turn to page number 10, children. Look, what's there? Yes, here, Peter. Oh, Peter, he is playing with his friend. Yes, children? Peter is playing with his friend. And the key word we have this time is we. W-E-V. We have already learned in two-letter words with vowel E. Do you remember? W-E-V. Yes, it's the same word. This is the key word. This is a new word we are learning in the book. Let's start reading, children. You like Peter. Use your pointer finger, children, as your teacher is using. You like Peter. I like Peter. I like Peter. We like Peter. We like Peter. We'll do the complete page once again. You like Peter. I like Peter. We like Peter. Yes. Read it daily, children. Turn to page number 12, children. On page number 13, you can see a girl. You know, do you remember her name? Yes, you're correct. Her name is Jane. What is she doing? She is cycling. Okay, let's move on to page number 12. We will read. Use your pointer fingers, children. I like Jane. You like Jane. We like Jane. Once again. I like Jane. You like Jane. We like Jane. Look here, they have given a word here with a girl picture. It is Jane. What is it? Jane. Turn to page number 14. Look on to page number 15, children. Here you can see Peter and Jane. Where are they standing? They're standing before a shop. What are you able to see in the shop? So many colorful toys. Do you all love toys? Yes, everyone likes to play with the toys. They are standing before the toy shop. So let's read. Here are shops. Here are shops. We like shops. We like shops. We like toy shops. We like toy shops. Once again, the complete page. Here are shops. We like shops. We like toy shops. Here the keyword is are. A-R-E-R. Turn to page number 16. On 17 and 16 we see pictures of Peter and Jane. Where are they? They both went for fishing. Do you go out for fishing, children? Yes, it's fun time. Let's read the page 17. You can fish. I can fish. We can fish. Once again. You can fish. I can fish. We can fish. The key words in this page are can. C-A-N, can. And the other word is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Turn to page number 18. On page number 19, you're able to see Peter and Jane. They are having fun. In the last page, we have seen they both went for fishing. Yes? Let's read page number 18. You want fun. You want fun. I want fun. I want fun. Use your pointer finger, children. This is fun. This is fun. We'll read the complete page once again. You want fun. I want fun. This is fun. The key words in this page are fun. F-U-N, fun. F-U-N, fun. And the other keyword is this. T-H-I-S, this. T-H-I-S, this. Turn to page number 20, children. On page number 21, what are you able to see? There is a dog. Do you remember Peter and Jane had a dog? Yes, it is Pat. Yes, you all are right. Let's read page number 20. This is Pat. This is Pat. I like Pat. I like Pat. Pat likes fun. Pat likes fun. We like this dog. We like this dog. Let's do the complete page. This is Pat. I like Pat. Pat likes fun. We like this dog. The keyword in this page is Pat. P-A-T, Pat. P-A-T, Pat. Turn to page number 22, children. Look at the picture. What are you able to see? Yes, there is some water and some of them they are doing boating. Jane is showing the Peter that there is some water. Yes, let's start reading. Here is some water. Here is some water. I like the water. I like the water. Here is Peter. And here is Jane. Here is Peter. And here is Jane. Let's read the complete thing. Here is some water. Use your pointer fingers. I like the water. Here is Peter and here is Jane. Keywords in this picture are some, S-O-M-E, some, S-O-M-E, some. The second word is water, W-A-T-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Now we are on page number 24 and 25. On page number 25, look at the picture, children. What are you able to see? See here, Peter and Jane, they are near the water. They are able to see themselves in the water. Yes? And there are two ducks here. They are swimming in the water. Okay, let's read, children. Use your pointer finger. Here you are, Jane and Peter. Here you are, Jane and Peter. Here is some water. Here is some water. Look in the water. Look in the water. You are in the water. You are in the water. Let's do the complete page. Here you are, Jane and Peter. Here is some water. Look in the water. You are in the water. The key word in this page is look. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. Turn to page number 26. On 27 page, what are you able to see? Look here, Peter is having fun. Even Pat is in the water. What is Peter doing? He is boating. Let's read. Here is Peter. Here is Peter. He likes water. He likes water. He has the dog. He has the dog. The dog is in the water. The dog is in the water. He likes it. He likes it. Let's do the complete page. Here is Peter. He likes water. He has the dog. The dog is in the water. He likes it. What is the keyword on this page? H-E, he. H-E, he. And the second keyword is I-T, it. I-T, it. Turn to page number 28. See the picture. Where are Peter and Jane and even Pat? They all went to a park. See here, Jane is about to throw a ball for Pat so that Pat could run and get back the ball. Yes? Do you all love to go to park, children? Yes, I love. Okay, let's start reading then. Jane has a ball. Jane has a ball. It is for Pat. It is for Pat. Pat is here. Pat is here. He wants the ball. He wants the ball. Let's do the reading complete. Jane has a ball. It is for Pat. Pat is here. He wants the ball. The key word in this page is for. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. Page number 30. On page number 31, what are you able to see, children? Look here, Pat is looking for Peter and Jane. Where are they both? They both are on the tree. They have climbed up onto the tree and looking down at Pat. Yes, children, let's read. Here is a tree. Here is a tree. Pat looks into the tree. Pat looks into the tree. He looks for Peter and Jane. He looks for Peter and Jane. They are in the tree. They are in the tree. Let's read the complete page. Here is a tree. Pat looks into the tree. He looks for Peter and Jane. They are in the tree. The keywords in this page are into, I-N-T-O, into, I-N-T-O, into. The second keyword is they, T-H-E-Y, they, T-H-E-Y, they. Now it's page number 32 and 33. First we will read the picture, children. Look here, Peter and Jane. What are they both doing? They are looking into the room. What are they able to see? See here one cat is there and its kittens are here, small kittens. And one more cat is inside the basket. What is it doing? It is playing. And these cat and the small kittens, they are watching the TV. They are watching Tom and Jerry cartoon. Do you all love to watch cartoon, children? Yes, Tom and Jerry. It's fun to watch. Let's read. Use your pointer finger. Look here, says Jane. Look here, says Jane. Look here, Peter. Look here, Peter. Come and look. Come and look. Peter comes and they look. Peter comes and they look. Look here, says Jane. Look here, Peter. Come and look. Peter comes and they look. We have two keywords here. The first one is says. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. And the other word is comes. C-O-M-E-S, comes. C-O-M-E-S, comes. It's page number 34. On page number 35, what are you able to see, children? Yes, yummy, yummy, sweets, fruits, all eatables. Yes, do you all like fruits? Yes, eating fruits is a healthy habit. See here, Jane is having a toffee. She is about to eat the toffee. And Peter is taking one from the packet. Let's read, children. Here are some sweets. Here are some sweets. Some are for Peter and some for Jane. Some are for Peter and some for Jane. They have some sweets. They have some sweets. They like sweets. They like sweets. Here are some sweets. Some are for Peter and some for Jane. They have some sweets. They like sweets. Do you all like sweets, children? Very tasty. Very sweet, sweet. Yes, the key words in this page are sweets. Yummy. S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. The second keyword is have. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, H-A-V-E, have. Turn to page number 32 and 33. We will read 32 and 33 together, children. Yes, look at the picture. What are you able to see? See here, Peter. What is he doing? He's jumping, and even Pat following Peter. And Jane is standing here and looking at Peter and Pat. Let's read. Peter wants to jump, and Pat wants to jump. Peter wants to jump, and Pat wants to jump. They jump for fun. They jump for fun. Can you jump this? Says Peter to Jane. Can you jump this? Says Peter to Jane. Let's read the complete page. Peter wants to jump and Pat wants to jump. They jump for fun. Can you jump this? Says Peter to Jane. Here we have two keywords. The first keyword is to, T-O-2, T-O-2. And the second keyword is jump, J-U-M-P, jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Page number 38. On page number 39, look, what are they both doing? Peter and Jane, they are having fun. They are playing, they are jumping, and Pat is looking at them. Yes, let's read. Yes, says Jane. Yes, says Jane. Yes, I can jump this. Yes, I can jump this. I want to jump. I want to jump. Look, Peter, look. Look, Peter, look. I can jump this. I can jump this. We'll read the complete page. Yes, says Jane. Yes, I can jump this. I want to jump. Look, Peter, look. I can jump this. The key word in this page is yes. Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. It's page number 40 and 41. Look at the pictures, children. Where are they? Peter and Jane, and also Pat came with them. Where are they? They both are in a shop. Which shop is it? It is a pet shop. Do you all love pets, children? Do you have one at your house? Oh, then that's going to be fun for you if you have a pet. Okay, look here, there is a parrot. Yes, which is a blue and a yellow color parrot is sitting here. Okay, some more pets are at the back. One I can see a rabbit, some fishes, some more pets here. Okay, let's read. Peter and Jane go to the shop. Peter and Jane go to the shop. They go into the shop for some fish. They go into the shop for some fish. Peter has the dog and Jane has the fish. Peter has the dog and Jane has the fish. Let's read the whole thing. Peter and Jane go to the shop. They go into the shop for some fish. Peter has the dog And Jane has the fish. What is the keyword here? G-O, go. G-O, go. Now it's page number 42 and 43. Look, Peter and Jane. Pat also. They brought the fish from the pet shop. See here, Jane, what is she doing? She is leaving the fishes into the water. They have a small aquarium at their house. Yes, children? Yes. See here, there is a chair. Yes, which color is it? It is a red color chair and there is a football on it. Yes. Let's read, children. The fish go into the water. The fish go into the water. Into the water they go. Into the water they go. Pat wants the fish. Pat wants the fish. No, Pat, no, says Peter. No, Pat, no, says Peter. No, 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 says Jane to the dog. No, 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 says Jane to the dog. The fish go into the water. Into the water they go. Pat wants the fish. No, Pat, no, says Peter. No, 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 says Jane to the dog. What is the key word here? No. N-O, no. N-O, no. It's page number 44 and 45. Look on to page number 45. What are Peter and Jane doing? They are on a ride. Yes, they are having fun. Children, do you all like to have a ride when you go out? Yes, everyone enjoy getting onto a ride. Okay, then let's read. Peter and Jane have fun. Peter and Jane have fun. Here comes Peter. Here comes Peter. Here comes Jane. Here comes Jane. Here they come. Here they come. We like this. They say. We like this. They say. Complete page we will do. Peter and Jane have fun. Here comes Peter. Here comes Jane. Here they come. We like this. They say. Now it's page number 46 and 47. What are Peter and Jane doing? Look here. Jane is with holding Pat. Yes, Peter is playing a game. Do you all love to play game, children? Yes, we have fun when we play games. Yes? Yes, children? Even I like to play games. So let's read. Have a go, says Jane to Peter. Have a go, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. Yes, says Peter. He has a go. He has a go. You have a go. You have a go, says Peter to Jane. Says Peter to Jane. Jane has a go. Jane has a go. Have a go, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. He has a go. You have a go, says Peter to Jane. Jane has a go. It's page number 48 and 49. Yes, children, look on page number 49. What are you able to see? Jane, Peter, and Pat, they are on the ice cream shop. Children, do you like ice creams? Yes, I love ice creams. So you all also love ice creams, I hope. Yes? Okay, let's read, children. Have some, says Jane to Peter. Have some, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. Yes, says Peter. Use your pointer finger, children. You have some, Jane says. Peter, you have some. Jane says, Peter. Yes, I like it. Jane says. Yes, I like it. Jane says. Have some, says Jane to Peter. Yes, says Peter. You have some. Jane says, Peter. Yes, I like it, Jane says. It's page number 50 and 51. We are at the end of the book. This is the last page, children. What are you able to see in the picture? Peter and Jane. They both are having an ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Yes, they are going back to home. Even Pat is with them. They have visited a circus and they are going back to their home. Let's read, children. Use your pointer fingers. Here they go. Here they go. Jane wants to go home. Jane wants to go home. Peter wants to go home. And the dog wants to go home. Peter wants to go home. And the dog wants to go home. Yes, we want to go home, they say. Yes, we want to go home, they say. Here the keyword is home, H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. Let's read the page, complete page. Here they go. Jane wants to go home. Peter wants to go home. And the dog wants to go home. Yes, we want to go home, they say. Look here, on the last page, we have all the keywords which are there in this book, that is Ladybird To Be book. Okay, you can see and read these keywords at the back. At the end of the book also you have keywords. Okay, children, happy reading. Bye bye.